Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a live chat window to your OBS Studio setup. This is perfect for anyone wanting their stream to feel more interactive and professional. After all, having your chat right on screen means you and your viewers stay connected in real time. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know step-by-step how to set up a customizable chat box that makes your broadcast stand out. Let's dive right in. First up, you need a way to get your chat as an overlay. A reliable place to start is a service like StreamElements.com. So, open your browser, navigate to Stream Elements, and log in using your streaming account, whether that's Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook Gaming. This part is pretty straightforward. Just use the same credentials you stream with so the service can connect your chat. If you've never used Stream Elements before, don't worry. Their onboarding is quick and only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, look for the sections labeled Overlays, or sometimes Chat Box. This is where you'll build your actual widget, the little box that displays your chat messages on stream. Think of this like designing a virtual window for your audience's comments to appear. Take a minute to explore the customization options here. You can personalize the font, colors, and chat background, which is super handy if you're aiming for a consistent theme. For example, if your stream uses bright neon colors, you can tweak the chat colors so everything matches. Once you're happy with the way it looks, go ahead and save your overlay. Saving is important. It locks in your settings and lets Stream Elements generate a unique URL for your chat widget. Now, the service will present you with an overlay URL. This is a key step, so don't rush past it. Copy that full URL to your clipboard. That's what will let OBS display your chat on your stream. It's just like handing directions from one app to another. With your overlay URL ready, head over to OBS Studio. In OBS, pick the scene you want your chat to appear in and add a new browser source. If you're new to OBS, a browser source lets you bring in web-based content, like our chat overlay, directly inside your broadcast. When prompted, paste your copied overlay URL right in the URL field. This is the magic bridge between Stream Elements and OBS. Next, set the width and height to match your canvas size. Most streams use 1920 by 1080 pixels. That's the standard for full HD. But if you stream at a different resolution, just type those numbers in instead. This ensures your chat displays crisply and fits perfectly within your layout. Hit OK to confirm, and if you don't see it right away, don't panic. It can take a few seconds for the widget to load, especially if you've customized lots of features. Almost done. Take a look at your OBS preview screen. You'll see the new chat box overlay, which you can click and drag to position anywhere you want, maybe in the lower right corner or tucked above your gameplay. Adjusting the placement makes your chat more readable and keeps it from blocking important parts of your stream. And if you want to get super detailed with the look and feel, maybe changing the size of the text or hiding certain messages, you can always go back to Stream Elements, tweak your widget settings, and OBS will update automatically the next time you refresh the browser source. And that's it. You've got live chat showing up on OBS Studio. This small addition is a big step towards engaging your viewers, making them feel like part of the show, and elevating the quality of your stream. Thanks for following along. If you found this walkthrough helpful, drop a like, leave any questions you have in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more streaming tutorials. See you in the next video.